Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a dependable base. This is where taste and texture form. Combine 2 cups flour with sugar and baking powder so leavening distributes evenly. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 1/3/4 cups milk and 1/2 cup melted butter until homogeneous, because uniform batter yields even rise. Once mixed, let the batter rest briefly to hydrate the flour. Meanwhile, heat the waffle iron to medium-high and lightly oil it so waffles release cleanly. You now move into execution. Pour measured batter so thickness stays consistent, typically 1/2 to 3/4 cup per waffle works. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, watching steam. When steam drops markedly, the exterior has crisped. Open carefully and use a silicone spatula to lift. Do not force a sticky waffle. Once hot, layer immediately with your components: whipped cream for lightness, fruit for acidity, syrup or custard for richness, so textures contrast and flavors. You finish by dressing and plating to maximize contrast and showmanship. Dust powdered sugar, add citrus zest and nuts for crunch, and place 1 scoop ice cream for temperature play. Serve right away on warm plates so steam doesn't make the waffle soggy. If you must wait, hold waffles in a 200 degrees oven on a rack. If a waffle turns limp, reheat 1 to 2 minutes in the oven or toaster to restore crispness. And next batch, reduce liquid slightly to fix consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.